This is a Nicebay car vacuum. It's in its charging stand right now. When you assemble this, this goes in the charging stand this way. There's a metal pin. The electric contact is in the back, and then there are two tabs in the front, and it just slides in. Just make sure you include that pin when you assemble it. So this piece here is the access to the receptacle for the things that you vacuum up. It releases with this clip right here. Your brushes insert into here, into the end, so that you can use them. And here's the other brush. It's a wider brush, and that also inserts in the end there. Halfway up, there's this button. You push this, and it gives access to the filter. That can be cleaned and or replaced. And there's an extra filter that came with it. So it's back together again. Now I've got some popcorn here, and we'll vacuum it up. There are two speeds to this. So, and again, to get rid of the things you picked up, you just push these buttons here about, and there it is. Try the other brush. You don't want to push these in too far because they're kind of hard to get out if you push them in too far, the brushes. When it's charging, it has the red light, and once it's charged, it's blue. So this is new out of the box. So that's the Nicebay car vacuum.